Dr. Akash Ochi, SGI advisor to BSG, who spoke to us on how one can eradicate world terrorism.
So, what are your views on terrorism and how will you deal with it in a peaceful manner?
So, as a historical background for this kind of terrorism to come into the existence, there are a lot of hatred, a lot of the enmities develop in the individual life. So, what is the important thing is that though it may take time to have the approach of the dialogue, understanding, and because the terrorism cannot be conquered by the hatred. The more hatred we have, the more terrorism is going to come back. So therefore, the spirit of the Buddhism is the whatever the people may have a negativity to us, always to believe that there will be a hope, there will be a understanding, and there will be a mutual respect will come back. And for that, we need to continue to put effort of having dialogue for the future. And so that even it may take time, but one day we will be able to accomplish the peaceful society.
So, you're talking about dialogues, they are more important, as Mahatma Gandhi had also said that an eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. So, tell us something about your organization, that is Bharat Soka Gakkai, and how does it work in promoting world peace?
So we believe in the human potentialities. Each human being has the great potentiality to contribute for the better. We call this as a human revolution. So each persons, when they transform their inner life, they will become the great forces for the peace. So we believe in this and to empower the people, and I think that is the spirit of what Mahatma Gandhi worked on the Satyagraha. And that is the way we believe also. Therefore, that when each individual human beings are empowered and their great power in their own goodness and manifest in their life, then we will be able to contribute peace. So the Bharat Soka Gakkai is working on empowerment of all individuals. Under any circumstance where they are living, that they have the great power to transform their life. So we will continue to work on this.
Does your organization run any sort of program for empowering the youth so that they can also contribute for the betterment of the world?
So we have many youths participating into a program, and we call it Human Revolutions. And this movement will give the great opportunity for the many young people to be able to realize their potentiality. And our youth are conducting dialogue to tap the potentiality and spreading this message of the human revolutions.